We have a quarter circle with center O. Inside it sits a green right triangle, CDO. We're given two important clues. First, the two legs of the triangle, CD and OD, are exactly the same length. Second, the small horizontal segment from A to D is exactly 2 units long. Our goal is to find the exact area of the green triangle. Let's begin by calling the radius of the quarter circle x. Since O is the center, both OC and OA are radii, so each of those lengths is exactly x. Now look at the bottom radius. The entire segment OA is x, but the small piece AD is 2. So the remaining piece OD must be x minus 2. And remember our very first clue. The triangle has 2 equal legs. So if OD is x minus 2, then CD is also x minus 2. That means our right triangle has 2 equal legs of x minus 2 and a hypotenuse of x. Time for the Pythagorean Theorem. The quantity x minus 2 squared plus the quantity x minus 2 squared equals x squared. Let's expand both squares. That gives us x squared minus 4x plus 4 plus x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals x squared. Now simplify the equation. 1x squared cancels from both sides. We're left with x squared minus 8x plus 8 equals 0. Move the constant 8 to the other side. We get x squared minus 8x equals negative 8. Now add 16 to both sides. The left side becomes the quantity x minus 4 squared, and the right side becomes 8. Take the square root of both sides. X minus 4 equals plus or minus the square root of 8. And the square root of 8 simplifies to 2 square root of 2. So x equals 4 plus or minus 2 square root of 2. We now have 2 possible values, but one of them doesn't make physical sense. If we choose 4 minus 2 square root of 2, the radius becomes less than 2. That would make the triangle's side, x minus 2, negative, which is impossible. So we reject that solution. The radius x is 4 plus 2 square root of 2. Now let's find the length of each leg. Subtract 2 from the radius. X minus 2 equals 2 plus 2 square root of 2. Factor out the common 2. Each leg is 2 times the quantity 1 plus square root of 2. We're at the final step. The area of a right triangle is 1/2 times base times height. Both the base and the height are the same. So the area becomes 1/2 times 2 times the quantity 1 plus square root of 2 times 2 times the quantity 1 plus square root of 2. The 1/2 cancels with one of the 2's, so we're left with 2 times the quantity 1 plus square root of 2 all squared. Let's expand that square. 1 plus square root of 2 all squared becomes 1 plus 2 square root of 2 plus 2, which simplifies to 3 plus 2 square root of 2. Now multiply everything by the 2 outside. That gives us our exact final area, 6 plus 4 square root of 2. And that's the answer. If you check it on a calculator, it's approximately 11.66 square units. If you enjoy elegant geometry puzzles like this one, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.